Crypto investing for beginners. Top 5 mistakes to avoid. So you've decided to take the plunge into the mysterious world of cryptocurrency. Welcome. It's exciting, volatile, and occasionally feels like a roller coaster ride run by a caffeinated teenager. Before you jump in, let's talk about the 5 most common mistakes beginner investors make, so you don't become one of the cautionary tales your friends laugh about. 1. Going all in on the next big thing. You hear about a new crypto project that promises to revolutionize everything, and your cousin Greg says it's going to the moon. Sounds tempting, right? Here's the reality. Most of these moonshots fizzle out faster than your New Year's gym membership. Don't throw your life savings into a token or coin just because some joker on Twitter told you to. Tip: start with established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum before dabbling in meme coins named after dogs. 2. Ignoring research. If you don't know what DYOR means, here's your first lesson. It stands for Do Your Own Research. No, watching TikToks or Reddit memes doesn't count. Why does it matter? Scams are everywhere in crypto. If you blindly follow hype without understanding what you're investing in, you might as well light your money on fire. It's more dramatic that way. Tip: read white papers, check project teams, and look for actual use cases. If it smells too good to be true, it probably is. 3. Fear of missing out. You see a coin skyrocketing 200% in a day, and your brain yells, "Buy now! Slow down, tiger!" Here's the trap. By the time you get in, it's often the peak, and you'll be left holding the bag as the price plummets. A tip: be patient. Look for opportunities to buy during dips, not pumps. 4. Losing your wallet password. Let me paint a tragic picture. You buy some crypto, forget your wallet password, and years later it's worth a small fortune that you can't access. Crypto reality check. There's no customer service hotline to reset your password. Write it down, store it somewhere safe, and consider using hardware wallets for extra security. 5. Thinking you'll get rich overnight. If you're dreaming of buying that vacation home by next month, let's pop that bubble real quick. Yes, some people strike gold in crypto, but for every overnight millionaire, there are thousands who, well, didn't. Volatility is normal, and patience is your best friend. Final thoughts. Crypto investing can be a wild and rewarding adventure if you play it smart. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Do your homework, and for the love of Bitcoin, don't trust your cousin Greg's sure thing. Invest wisely, stay curious, and enjoy the ride. It's a marathon, not a sprint.